Hello, in this very short video I'm going to show you how to disassemble the connector from a Chinese diesel heater. Why is this necessary? When you install it, for example, this part has to go into the car, into the passenger cabin, and the rest of the cable stays, so to say, outside the vehicle, and you have to get this somehow through a little hole or something. Now this, as you can see, this connector is fairly big, so you don't really want to have drill a hole like that to get all the cables through. So there's a way I figured out how to disassemble this this connector. First of all, it is a good advice to take a picture of the connector, that you know how it goes back together, in which order the cables go, so that you will be fine later. So the first thing is, there is this yellowish kind of stop plug. You take a screwdriver. Oops, it's not so easy. You take a screwdriver and you just lift it on this notch. Then this yellow part comes out. Try to do it. Now this yellow part comes out. This is the first step. Then you need a very tiny screwdriver, like this one here. And I hope you can see that here is a little plastic pin. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. You take your very little screwdriver, and I can't do it now because I have to hold the camera with one hand. You bend this little plastic clip downward, and then you pull at the same time you pull at the cable, and it comes out very easily. And then you only have 3 small wires with connectors, which can be easily let through a very tiny hole in your car or wherever you want to install it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tip useful. Cheers.